Production downtime is essentially going to be your biggest at stake piece. You have some equipment from the 1950s, 1960s that's your main service for your entire facility. Unplanned downtime that can be weeks and months of, you have no lights on, you have no power going to your facility. You're pretty much dead in the water at that point. If you go talk to most industrial facilities and maintenance engineering and you ask them, what's the condition and age of your electrical infrastructure, a lot of them are going to throw their hands up and just say, it's all old, it all needs to be replaced, but they don't know where to start. That's the problem. Working with AIM Services, creating the power systems assessment so we could at least identify current condition, current risks within their electrical infrastructure to try to identify, okay, what's the first step? Where's that first project? And let's build a 5-10-year plan to help modernize just the electrical infrastructure. We have to, think kind of outside the box. Redundancy, not just relying on utility power only, having some form of microgrid, solar initiatives maybe that are on the green side, but are also adding some form of resiliency to the existing system, not to mention data. Having newer circuit breakers that are tied into a network where you can pull continuous monitoring data from them. Being able to look at your transformers and know exactly what's going on in them at any point in time. Take a look at the electrical infrastructure in your facility. Let's have a conversation about it. Let's go do a walkthrough. Let's look at it.